2020 is your best year to learn about online business and marketing. As of today, April 2020, there are more than 20,000 confirmed deaths from coronavirus in the United States alone. The unemployment rate is reaching 10 million people, but the worst is still to come. The Great Depression that is coming to this country will be worse than the Great Depression of 2029. In this video, I will prove to you that 2020 is your best year and your best chance to learn about online business and marketing. More than that, at the end of the video, I will show you what you can do exactly to get started as soon as possible. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, to learn how you can turn your passion into profitable business, or at least learn how to make some extra money on the side to support your epic lifestyle. As I've just mentioned, the unemployment rate in the United States is reaching almost 10 million people. And as I've said, if you think that you're gonna go back to your old job after the coronavirus is over, it might not happen. Personally, for me, before the virus, I had a part-time job working in the casino industry. I worked in a small casino that there is a chance might not reopen after the coronavirus, simply because they don't have the assistance needed from the government right now to help them to maintain their business, to pay for the rent, and so on and so forth. And if you think that I'm the only one, or you are the only one, that's not true. The truth is, after this coronavirus is over, there is a chance most of the company that existed before might not exist at all. There is a chance that not only will you not get your old job if you got laid off because your job was shut down because of the coronavirus, there's a chance that you won't be able to find any job at all. And that's why 2020 right now is the best year to start learning about online business and marketing. So later on, you will be able to make money for yourself working from the convenience of your home or anywhere where you live. One of the greatest investors of all times, Warren Buffett, once said, "Never depend on single income. Make investment to create a second source." One of the biggest reasons why most people are struggling right now, and they will continue to struggle even after the coronavirus is over, is because simply they don't have that second income. And the best investment you can make right now is the investment in yourself. Invest time and effort in yourself and into learning about how to create that second source. There's literally no better investment than investment in yourself. If you were thinking about starting your own business, if you had a business before, like myself, you might know that before I had two offline, the so-called offline businesses. One was my personal training business, another was adventure travel business, where I had to work directly with people. Nowadays, it's impossible, and there's a chance that later on I simply won't have desire to do those businesses again. And I know for a fact that there are a lot of business owners right now who won't be able to reopen their businesses after this coronavirus is over. That's why, instead of thinking about creating a business that requires dealing with customers face to face, my advice is focus on building an online business. Focus on learning about online marketing that will allow you to make money, whether you're dealing with people face to face or you're selling something over the internet. Right now, starting an online business, learning about how to make money with online business is your best option. If you got laid off, if you're on unemployment, or if you're a business owner like myself and your business is not making money, and nowadays, instead of wasting your time, instead of watching stupid Netflix or wasting your time checking news every 5 minutes like I used to do, just a few weeks ago, instead of that, instead of wasting your time, focus on learning. Invest this time into learning about business and marketing. Spend your time wisely, and like I said, there is no better way to spend your time than spending it on learning something new. In conclusion, as I promised you in the beginning of this video, I want to share with you the best way to get started with online business and marketing. And as I said in my previous video many times, the best way to get started is with Amazon affiliate program or Amazon influencer program nowadays. And in my previous video, I've listed dozens of reasons why Amazon is the best way for anybody to get started with online business and marketing. But until today, I haven't mentioned this reason, and this is probably the main reason, and it's especially important nowadays. After this coronavirus is over, there is a chance there will be only 3 online platforms, 3 online retailers left, and they are Amazon, Walmart, and Costco. And guess who has the best affiliate program? You guessed right, Amazon. More than that, it's the oldest affiliate program, it's the most trusted, and if you do it right, it's the most profitable. I guarantee you that. But again, the only way to make money with Amazon affiliate program or Amazon influencer program is if you invest time and effort into learning as much as possible. And as I've just said, nowadays when you have all this extra time, it's the best time to learn. And if you don't know where to start, as I said in my previous video, there's a lot of information out there online. There's a lot of free information about how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money with there's a lot of information. The main problem, one of the main reasons most people can't get started with affiliate marketing or Amazon affiliate marketing is because they don't have a structured plan where they can follow steps one by one, where they can get started, when they can see the progress, and when they make their first money. That's why specifically for people like you, we offer absolutely free training for anybody who wants to learn about online business and marketing. More than that, personally right now, to help people, I offer absolutely free, no strings attached, their own Amazon influencer page. It's only one page, and as you might understand, if you're an intelligent person, you're not gonna become a millionaire, but I guarantee you will make money. More than that, the main purpose of having this page is, first of all, to see if you have what it takes to become self-sufficient, if you have what it takes to become an entrepreneur, business owner, professional marketer. And most important, it's your opportunity to learn as much as possible about online business, marketing, and branding. And all you need is time, effort, and dedication. Like I said in this video, there is a lot to learn. If you're willing to learn, nobody can stop you. And if you're not willing to learn, you will find an excuse. So if you think you want to learn, you're ready to invest time and effort, I'm here for you. I try to make myself as accessible as possible. If you have any questions whatsoever, just contact me personally through email or one of my social media channels, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you have, and I'm ready to help you in any way possible. Like I said, the only thing I'm asking from you is your dedication, your time, and willingness to learn. Thanks for watching this video, and you have a great day.